Hello friends, welcome to our exam. I am Avnish Sharma. So let analysis the question number 1 to 11 UPSC Civil Services Prelim dated 18 June 2017. And this is a question paper SAT D. Remember this. And now we discuss the whole question. Okay. Now the question number 1. Which one of the following was a very important seaport in Kakatiya Kingdom? 1. Kakinada, B. Motupalli, C. Machilipatnam or Machilipatnam, D. Nellore. So in this question, option number B is correct. Okay. Now question number 2. With the reference to a global climate change alliance, which of the following statement is /R correct? 1. It is an initiative of a European Union. 2. It is a provided technical and financial support to a targeted developing countries to integrate climate change into their development policies and budgets. 3rd, it is coordinated by a World Resources Institute WRI and World Business Council for Sustainable Development WBCSD. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only, B. 3 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3 only. So in this question, option number A is correct. 1 and 2 only. Okay, this is correct. Okay. Now question number 3rd. With the reference to a religious history of the India, consider the following statements. 1. Sotrantrik and Samatya were the sects of Jainism. Sarvastivadin held the constituents of the phenomena were not fully momentary but existed forever in a latent form. Which of the following statement is above /R correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2 only, D. neither 1 nor 2. So in this question, option number B is correct, 2 only. So option number B is correct. Okay. Now question number 4. Mediterranean Sea is a border of which of the following countries? 1st, Jordan, 2. Iraq, 3rd, Lebanon, 4th, Syria. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 3 and 4 only, D. 1, 3 and 4 only. So in this question, option number C is correct. So the Mediterranean Sea is a border with the Lebanon and Syria in these two countries. So option number C is correct. Okay. Now the question number 5th. With the reference to a National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, which of the following statement is /R correct? 1st, it is an organ of Niti Aayog. 2nd, it has a corpus of 4 lakh crore at a present. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1st only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. So in this question, option number D is correct. So option number D is correct. And National Investment and the Infrastructure Fund is not related to Niti Aayog and not a corpus this amount. So option number D is correct. Now question number 6. The Global Infrastructure Facility is A/N. Option A, ASEAN, ASEAN, initiative to upgrade the infrastructure in Asia and financed by credit from the Asian Development Bank. B. World Bank collaboration that facilitates the preparation and structuring of complex infrastructure. Public-private partnership PPS to enable mobilization of private sector and institutional investor capital. C. Collaboration among the major banks of the world working with the OECD and focused on expanding the set of infrastructure projects that have the potential to mobilize private investment. Option number D, UNCTAD funded initiative that seeks to finance the facilitate infrastructure development in the world. So in this question, option number B is correct. Okay. Now question number 7. For election to a Lok Sabha, a nomination paper can filled by A. anyone residing in India, B. a resident of a constituency from which the election is to be contested, C. any citizen of India whose name is appears in the electoral roll of a constituency, D. any citizen of India. So in this question, option number C is correct. Okay. So question number 8, consider the following statement. First, in India, the Himalayas are spread over the 5 states only. Second, Western Ghats are spread over 5 states only. Third, Pulicat Lakes is spread over 2 states only. Which of the statement given above is /R correct? Option A, 1 and 2 only, B, 3rd only, C, 2 and 3 only, D, 1 and 3 only. So in this question, option number B is correct. 3rd only. Okay. Now question number 9, biological oxygen demand, BOD, is a standard criteria for option A, measuring oxygen level in blood, B, computing oxygen level in a forest ecosystem, C, pollution assay in aquatic ecosystems, D, assessing oxygen level in a high altitude regions. In this question, option number C is correct. Okay. Now question number 10, with the reference to a role of UN Habitat in the United Nations program working towards a better urban future, which of the following statement is /R correct? First, UN Habitat has been mandated by the United Nations General Assembly to promote a socially and environmentally sustainable towns and cities to provide adequate shelter for all. 2. It is a partners are either governments or local urban authorities only. Third, UN Habitat contributes to the overall objective of a United Nations systems to reduce poverty and to promote access to safe drinking water and basic sanitation. In this question, option number B is correct. 1 and 3 only. So option number B is correct. 1 and 3 only. Okay. Now question number 11, with the reference to a National Skills Qualification Framework NSQF, which of the following statement given below is /R correct? First, under NSQF, a learner can acquire the certification for the competency only through a formal learning. 2. An outcome expected from the implementation of NSQF is the mobility between the vocational and general education. Select the correct answer using code given below. A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So in this question, option number B is correct. 2 only. So guys, thank you for watching. And जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं we are discuss later. And like and subscribe our channel. And if you want to study a newspaper and various newspaper like The Hindu and The Indian Express, तो आप हमारे चैनल से फ्रीली PDF में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. So our channel is www.everexam.in. So guys, thank you for watching.